Well, let's focus now on the pollution crisis in the national capital. And the air in Delhi has turned from very poor to even severe in several areas 2 days after Diwali celebrations, when the so-called green firecrackers were permitted by the Supreme Court on the Delhi government's request. Now, despite assurances, the green crackers clearly failed. Delhi woke up to blanketed in thick smog even 2 days later. As we said, the AQI has breached severe levels in most parts of the city, and this has reignited the annual debate on festivals, firecrackers and failures in pollution control, because this is the start really of the pollution season. In Delhi, there has been a back and forth and blame game between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. In fact, Delhi registered its worst air quality post-Diwali in 4 years as pollution levels sharply increased, though Chief Minister Rekha Gupta tried to play it down, claiming it wasn't as bad as the previous year. In fact, the BJP has hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, and Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has even said that the AAP government of Punjab is forcing farmers to burn crop residue to increase the pollution levels. Listen in.
देखिए, पॉल्यूशन के स्तर पे आप सब ने डाटा देखे। पिछले जो सरकारों के दौरान दिवाली वाले दिन का जो डाटा था और अगले दिन का डाटा था, हमारे कार्यकाल में वो डाटा कम हुआ है, बढ़ा नहीं है, कतई नहीं बढ़ा है। तो आप ये कहें कि इस बार तो आप कह रहे जी पटाखों की परमिशन भी थी, बाकी चीज़ें भी थी, तो भी वो जो गैप है दिवाली से पहले का और दिवाली के बाद वाले दिन का, वो कम हुआ है। तो पॉल्यूशन उस दृष्टि से पहले से कम है। तो ये कुछ नया नहीं है, जो है ये जो चल रहा था उसी पैटर्न पे है, परंतु पहले से कम है। जबकि लोगों ने खूब दीपावली भी मनाई, सारे काम किए।
Yamuna pollution has always been a major issue in Delhi NCR, and right now ahead of Chhath Puja we are at the Madanpur Khadar Ghats in Delhi. We will try to show you some visuals also from here. Recently Saurav Bharadwaj had tweeted a photo of this area claiming that while the BJP had made big promises during elections that they will be cleaning the Yamuna river before Chhath Puja, we are seeing that there is still a foam-like situation that can be seen here. The foam is in fact floating in the river as we are speaking. While we are seeing that the politics around Yamuna river is decades old in Delhi now, in the last few assembly elections, it has also been a major electoral issue. The Chhath festival is set to take off from October 25, bringing with it big questions on rivers pollution levels and also how far they have been resolved. And the political triangle the issue triggers, we are seeing that the people who will be celebrating Chhath Puja will be coming here in a few days to in fact celebrate the auspicious festival. But also we are seeing that right now the situation remains grim. Like we saw last year, the froth was 12 feet high. This time around the situation is a little normal, but yes, the river is polluted nonetheless. We did see in the month of September when the flood waters had entered the Delhi's Yamuna stretch, and after that we had seen the river had in fact cleaned itself after the flood waters had in fact risen and had in fact also breached the safety measure. But we're also showing you another picture of how civic apathy can clearly be seen here after Diwali festival. People who had celebrated Diwali have in fact brought all the leftovers residues of the puja and had dumped it in the river, making it even more polluted. We can clearly see all the flowers, garments and also wooden structures that have been right now in fact thrown into the river, not just at this stretch but also at several other stretches. We are seeing that the people who come here after Diwali are dumping all the waste into the river, making it even more polluted. Now while we are seeing the politics has erupted, this still remains a big question as to how the people, the Purvanchali people of Delhi, while celebrating Chhath Puja, what kind of the polluted river they will be going to take a holy dip in, because right now we can still see the foam-like situation that can be seen in the Madanpur Khadar banks in Delhi.
Delhi NCR's air quality has been deteriorating. Well, Delhi's overall AQI stands at 345, which is in the very poor category. Currently, I'm standing at Anand Vihar, showing you the visuals. This is Anand Vihar footover bridge. As you can see, a thin layer of haze has surrounded the Delhi NCR. Well, this is one of the places in Delhi which has maximum footfall because of the RRTS station, railway station, metro station, bus stand, auto stand, and several cars, buses, trucks that passes by on a daily basis. Well, today's current AQI stands at very poor category, though there are two stations, Wazirpur and Punjabi Bagh, which currently stands at severe category, which means they have crossed the 400 mark. Now, showing you the visuals, as you can see that this is Anand Vihar RRTS station. On the parallel side of this is the Anand Vihar railway station, metro station. That is the reason this has the maximum footfall on a daily basis. Now, because the air quality has been deteriorating post Diwali. Well, this is the second day after Diwali celebrations, and still people are not following Supreme Court's order, because yesterday, in fact, people were also bursting crackers. Though this year, the Delhi government has been saying that the pollution levels post Diwali are still less than the other years that they have been witnessing. Well, on the other hand, doctors have been saying that because the pollution levels are increasing, people who go out on morning walks should wear N95 masks. And they have also advised patients who have respiratory diseases and also asthmatic patients. And on the other hand, children and older people, they have said that they should avoid going out in early morning hours when there's this hazy layer of pollution in Delhi NCR. Well, on this, the political comments have been intensifying. One side, the Delhi Environment Minister Mandeep Singh Sirsa has said that he is reviewing the pollution control measures, and has said that and has also alleged that Aam Aadmi Party is forcefully asking the farmers to in fact burn stubble so that the pollution level in Delhi NCR can in fact rise. On the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that the Delhi government themselves have not been prepared for this season, and that is why they have been putting up such allegations. But what we are witnessing is that the next few days, in fact, are very crucial in terms of air pollution.